to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy the content. I haven't been posting every day just because I've been really busy and just dealing with some other stuff. So, anyways, yesterday I had a losing day, lost like $110, and then today I made $71. Been struggling lately, but I noticed like today the price action was favorable in my opinion. So, some of the stuff I took, I just didn't size up enough. In hindsight, it would have been nice to have sized up because it just worked. It would have worked out. I mean, it was just like easy money. Everything pretty much worked. Um, Except a couple little low conviction trades that I shouldn't have taken, but it's good. So yesterday, I had Tesla off the open, lost $60. QS, I took one at 53, one at 52. QS was good because it was flagging here, and it was right under a daily level. It was a key level, horizontal. So I took only two contracts on QS yesterday. It would have been really nice trade. So yeah, I'm in at 52.50 average. I scale out one just above Friday's high for 76. So $23. And then the other one, I scale out for $1. So $50 on that one or whatever. So I made $71 on QS. So I lost 60 on Tesla. So I'm slightly green, $11. QS ended up going a lot higher. I mean, it also went higher today. So Tesla, you see in the middle here. um, so I lose $50 on $40 on Tesla. I'm down $100 in Tesla so far. Missed that breakout. See, it's forming this bigger pattern here. So I take one at 750 call or 750 put at 363. So Tesla, starts breaking down, and I'm in this for 15 minutes. I ended up getting out like $18, $19 later. Ended up breaking down a lot right after. I just couldn't. I was thought this thing's gonna squeeze any second. Which is what Tesla does a lot of the times. If you look at the down volume, which is the yellow bars, they are higher relative to the white bars, which are up bars. But it just broke me mentally right before 2 minutes before, a minute and a half or so before it moved. So I got out at 382, right? Just like right at previous day's low. Um, I got 380. Came out at $70 later, and then I think it went down even more. But when I lost some money here on SPY. I took a 443 put, and getting squeezed. Drop out. $50 there. Just amateur, dude. I stopped out at high a day on SPY. Yeah, it went higher later, but that was like a significant high. Like you see the red one I got out. So right here, 168. I got a 136. So I would have been 443 put. Um, Yeah, there was a point I was in the money on those, but anyways, this is also yesterday. Um, just took a 760 call on Tesla, right? So I took it. We get this sort of a base here, a little bit of a base. I take it on, as that makes a new high. We already kind of made a new high on there. Get in right there. Thinking I'm just gonna risk off this low day. So I was in at 147. We started getting a pop, and we're over 160, 170 almost. Yeah, 170 there. And then boom, this thing sells. So I'm thinking it's gonna double bottom, make a higher low. Fails. Starts making lower highs. It's downtrending right now. So I'm okay, this is doing a bear pennant. Boom, it breaks. Still in. Didn't get out. But I got it at 130, which isn't bad. So that's that. Then here's today. So right after the open, I take 2 Uber contracts, 20 cents a piece. I should have taken 10. The Uber is it's Wick, right? I had a sane volume, 425,000 for Uber. It's pretty good. What do I do here? I get in at the finish break, a little late on my entry. I mean, it was before it broke, but 2 contracts at 20 cents. And I'm not going to bore you through the uneventful. Get a nice move. I saw him at 36, so $32 there is quick money. Maybe another like $40 more if I would have waited. Amazon 34.40. Call. I got one. So Amazon far left here. Bear flagging. It gap down, but I thought, okay, I can tight risk here, and if it makes you run for it, I can get in. So I grab a 34.40 call, 173. And anyways, this thing goes to I sell there 199, so um $26. And yeah, Amazon starts putting on whatever. So I take a $5 loss on a Uber position, whatever, it's nothing. Take a $30 loss on 2 Uber contracts. Total, so 15 each. I make a $34 win on Tesla, 1 contract. I don't know why I was taking 1. That was essentially this pop pullback, candle over candle. My entry was see, I shouldn't wait till it breaks. I mean, not every time. I should work on anticipating more because I noticed that's what a lot of really good traders I know do. See, I was like super late to my entry there. Ended up working out. It ended up working out. We had a 200 SMA right above there, 752.75 on the 1 minute, but it ends up working out. So I get out and the strength on the offer near prior to its close, which is a pink line, $34, and then I got two Facebook 350 calls for 67 cents a piece, and so that was buying that support in this sort of pennant pattern, triangle, whatever you want to call it. So, what I really do like about Fridays is the contracts are cheap, and this Friday and last Friday were easier to trade than a lot of Fridays can be. So we have this sort of this inverse head and shoulders here, as you can see. That's what I was also playing, but so I saw one at 79. Taking my little gains is part of a problem I have is taking wins too early. After I've had a day or two or a week or however long of getting beat down, and yeah, so one at 79, $12 there, and then um, I sold the other one at like 81. So I buy an Amazon 3380 put. So my entry should have been right here. Right when it started to break there, right? That would have been 280, let's say. If I get in for 350 late on the offer. So, or that was a bid. Let's see. Oh, that was an offer. Oh, this bid side order. So I'm gonna say usually I don't trade Amazon on the offer, but so I get an Amazon on the bid, put 3380, 16 points out of the money. There's bear flags, breaks, bear flags again. I just get out. I couldn't hang. Well, it ended up. So I made $14 there. Um, yeah, I made 14. So right here, we open this. So this just show I made $102 minus commissions. $70. Oh, $80, something like that. Because that 71's accounting for on my IB, the one you see on the thumbnail, it's accounting for um swing trade. So it was really like $86 I think I made. So whatever, it's not much, but it's something. So anyways, let's go to um setups I like. This is a light this is Trent Spider. I'm doing a trial, but this is a rough list. I'm gonna have a much bigger better list on but Pep here. So we have three inside bars and no, this breaks either way. It's good, but it's in this falling wedge, which I like. So um a break of this would be good. So Pep's on watch. Conagra Brands on watch. We have one, two sidebars, and this pattern. I like these consolidations, and so I didn't even notice I don't have volume on these charts, but yeah, so I have volume profile, but well, clearly there's going to be a wider profile here, but then we have LRCX, which has this 618 area. One, to 3 touches. And then we have his pocket to the point of control, which is around 640. Well, a 20-point move. My risk on this would be um, 5 points. 5 to make. So um, I'm really looking at taking this trade. I could risk I could risk 15 to make 25. No, it just makes sense. So if we get a break of this with volume, then I'm gonna risk 5 points potentially. If this depends how it plays out next week. Um, Expensive one, and I got to see how the options are moving. To be honest, so LVS has a level here that I really like. It's 38 area. Um, 1, 2, 3. We really got 4. So if I remove this, um, there's 4 touches here basically. So it's level 38, 40 basically. A good one. Oh yeah, I like that there. Plus, also in my opinion, this thing's so extended to the downside that it looks like this is part of a W, a bounce. It's a lower. Okay, we stop out all the longs that came in here. All these longs are now underwater. So they stop out here. So they come in here. All these longs here. Boom, we stop them out. Get a bounce. Okay, so as long as this low holds, 35.50, then this could fan out and produce the W. So ultimately, break. Oh yeah, break that. So risk is 35.60. So do something to make luck. I like it. That's all I have right now. I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching. This video is like really low energy. I'm really tired. Long week, hard week, mentally, emotionally, physically. Not too hard physically, but mental and emotional tolls do take a toll on your physical. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, girls, and I'm gonna try to put out a video this weekend for a watch list for next week. Um, yeah, so take care. Bye bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.